Chapter 38 Tuesday Parayan Baba's Handi, Disrespect of a Shrine, Kala or the Hodgepodge, and the Cup of Buttermilk. Sadguru Sai Baba has incarnated in this world for the welfare of his devotees and for removing the pains inflicted on those who seek his blessings. He is the abode of perfect divine bliss. Baba's Handi. Different sadhanas have been prescribed in our scriptures for different yugas, ages, that is, tapa, penance, for the Krita Yuga, jnana, knowledge, for the Treta Yuga, yajna, sacrifice, for the Dwapara Yuga, and dana, charity, for Kali Yuga, present age. In the Kali Yuga, of all charities, offering food is the most ideal one. All other kinds of charity, for example, giving wealth, property, clothes, etc., require some discrimination. But for giving away food, no such discrimination is advised. The merit of feeding the lame, blind, or handicapped is far more superior to feeding the able-bodied. Without Annadana, all other charities are of little significance. Baba required very little food for himself, but when he wished to distribute food to all, he made preparations for the same, all by himself, like purchasing rice, pulses, spices, etc. with cash, grinding the flour and spices, arranging the fireplace, lighting the fire, getting the cooking pot, handi ready, bringing water for cooking, etc. Baba had 2 handis, cooking pots, one to cook for 50 and another sufficient for 100 people. Baba cooked either meaty chawal, sweet rice or pulav, or ambil, soup made of jowar flour, mixed with buttermilk, etc. To check if the food was cooked, Baba rolled up the sleeve of his kafani and put his bare arm in the boiling material and churned it sideways and up and down without fear. After the food was cooked, Baba first gave it to Tatya and Mahalsapati as prasad and then fed the poor and helpless people to their heart's content. Indeed, blessed and fortunate are they who could eat the food prepared and served by Baba himself. This practice of cooking in the handi continued till 1910 and was stopped thereafter as Baba's fame spread far and wide through Dasaganu's Kirtanas. People began to flock to Shirdi, bringing with them gifts and various dishes of food to offer as Naivedya to Baba. The food thus brought was always in surplus so that fakirs and poor could also eat to their utmost satisfaction. Nana Sahib's disrespect of a shrine. Devotees kept guessing and contemplating on whether Baba was a Hindu or a Muslim. Some said that Sai was a Brahmin and some that he was a Muslim. No one knew for certain Baba's place of birth or caste or whereabouts of his parents, etc. If he was a Muslim, why did he have the dhuni ever burning in the masjid? Why was there a Tulsi Vrindavan? Why did he allow blowing of conches, bells and musical instruments? And also, why did he have his ears pierced? Why did he spend money to repair Hindu temples? These were some of the doubts, questions that arose in the minds of all devotees, but none could get the answer. Baba did not tolerate even the slightest disrespect to Hindu shrines and deities. Once, Nana Sahib came to Shirdi via Kopargaon. On his way, he did not stop to offer prayers at the shrine of Dattatreya that he did normally merely to avoid delay in going to Shirdi. Baba was angry at the disrespect shown by Nana Sahib and warned him not to do so in future. Kala, hodgepodge. Every day after the afternoon Aarti was over, Baba distributed Udi personally, wished and blessed all devotees individually. He then sat for lunch behind a curtain inside the masjid with his back to the mimbar and was accompanied by 2 rows of devotees on either side. The different varieties of food containing puri, bread, sweets, rice, sanza, etc. brought in by the devotees were all mixed in a hodgepodge and placed before Baba. He offered it to God and consecrated it. Portions of this was given to devotees, beggars and others waiting outside, and the remaining was served to those inside with Baba at the center. Shama and Nana Sahib Nemonkar willingly monitored the service and looked into individual needs and comfort. Every morsel of food thus partaken with Baba gave them utter satisfaction. Cup of buttermilk. Once, in such a company, Hemad Pant had eaten his full, when immediately Baba offered him a glass of buttermilk. While he was hesitating to drink, Baba forced him, saying he would not get such an opportunity in future. Obeying Baba, he drank it all, but soon realized that Baba's words were indeed prophetic, since Baba attained Mahasamadhi subsequently. Hemad Pant drank the buttermilk but gave us lots of nectar in the form of Baba's Leelas. Let us all drink this nectar in plentiful and be satisfied and happy always. Om Namo Sainathaya. Shanti Shanti Shanti. End of chapter 38.